Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi, and with the title you would be knowing like what I'm gonna talk about. So this video is all about a box I received from StyleNook. So basically StyleNook is a website where you can fill a form and a stylist would be appointed for you. She will be picking up few items for you and sending it across. So the best part about this website and about this deal is you have to pay only the things which you keep, and rest you can send them back, and you have to not pay any additional charges for that. Only you have to make the online payment for the things which you bought from that box, and I think this is the best part, and you can try them at your place. So like no wastage of time. It takes 10 to 15 days. So this is what the box actually looks like. I received from a spring collection. So yeah, they have sent a very cute personal note, and this is all the box is about. This is the bill, and this time I received 5 items. 4 of them are the clothes and one is accessories. So quickly I will show what all I have got and create a lookbook kind of thing for you guys.